Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite sandwiches, lemongrass steak banh mi. I love making banh mi at home because I can stuff it with as much meat and veggies as I want. So let's get started. First, we're going to prep our pickled vegetables. Peel your daikon, radish, and carrot, and then we're going to very thinly slice them. I like to use a vegetable peeler for the radish. Cut the veggies into very thin matchsticks. Now add your cut veggies to a bowl and salt them. We're going to toss this and set aside while we make the brine. Add salt, sugar, vinegar, and hot water to a small mason jar. Close the lid and shake to dissolve the sugar. We're going to pour this into our bowl of veggies. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Next, we're going to marinate our beef. Finely chop up your shallot and the white part of the lemongrass. If you don't have lemongrass, you can substitute with lime zest in a pinch. Add your chopped shallots and lemongrass to a bowl, along with fish sauce, sugar, and garlic. Mix this up, and then we're going to add in our meat. Rub the meat with the marinade, and we're going to let this marinate for at least 30 minutes. Now let's prep our fresh veggies. Slice your jalapeno, cucumber, and prep your cilantro. For the bread, I decided to use a soft Italian baguette because it allows more room for filling. But you could also use a more crumbly baguette if you want. Slice your bread in half, and we're going to split it down the middle, but not all the way through. You want to leave a little hinge on the back. Open your bread up, and we're going to remove some of the inside bread. You can save this for croutons later or just eat it straight up. Now let's grill our meat. Scrape any excess marinade off your meat and cook on a hot cast iron pan for 2 to 3 minutes per side. When it's done, remove from heat and let it rest for 6 minutes before slicing thinly against the grain. Now we're ready to assemble. Spread your pate on one side, mayo on the other, sprinkle with Maggi seasoning. You could also substitute with liquid aminos. Add your steak, cucumbers, jalapeno, pickled veggies, and then top with plenty of cilantro. This sandwich is huge and so delicious and juicy. It's definitely one of my top steak sandwiches of all time. I hope you enjoy!